Brad here from Friendly Fires. We're talking about the Osburn 2000 wood stove or fireplace insert. So whether you're looking to dress up a room and make it more comfy with a freestanding stove, or you have a drafty old fireplace that you need to revitalize, make it look nicer, and become a heat source and a focal point for the house, we've got both products with this one family of wood stoves. The cast iron door frame allows for a large viewing area. With the lifetime warranty on the ceramic glass, you have a very clean looking wood stove or fireplace insert. What we like about the inside of the Osburn 2000 is the military grade stainless steel air tubes and compressed C-cast baffle. Both of those will last a very, very long time. The stove and insert also have a very high density refractory, and they're both made of a very thick gauge steel. The Osburn 2000 meets EPA 2020 standards at 1.6 grams per hour. With its 2.3 cubic foot firebox, we can sustain an overnight fire approximately 8 hours. It also allows you to put in some gnarly pieces up to 20 inches in length. With such an efficient firebox, the freestanding stove has a robust air deflector and comes standard with a blower to help move that air out and around your home. The freestanding stove has 4 different optional leg sets, or you can get it with the pedestal. With its modern styling, whether you choose the stove or the fireplace insert, the Osburn 2000 would be a nice addition to your home.